Dinner recipe South Indian vegetarian. 1. Vegetable biryani. Ingredients: 2 cups basmati rice, 1 cup mixed vegetables carrots, peas, potatoes, beans, 1 onion, sliced, 2 cloves garlic, minced, 1 inch ginger minced, 2 green chilies, chopped, 1 tsp cumin seeds, 1 tsp coriander powder, 1 tsp garam masala, 1 tsp turmeric powder, 1 tsp red chili powder, salt to taste, 1/4 cup chopped cilantro, 2 tsp clarified butter, water as needed. Instructions: 1. Soak basmati rice in water for 30 minutes. Drain and set aside. 2. Heat ghee in a pressure cooker or large pot. Add cumin seeds and let them splutter. 3. Add sliced onions, minced garlic and ginger, and chopped green chilies. Saute until onions turn translucent. 4. Add mixed vegetables and all the spices: coriander powder, garam masala, turmeric powder, red chili powder, and salt. Mix well. 5. Add soaked and drained basmati rice to the pot and stir gently. 6. Add 3 cups of water to the pot and mix well. Close the lid and pressure cook for 2 whistles or cook on low flame until rice is done. 7. Once done, let the pressure release naturally. Fluff the rice with a fork and garnish with chopped cilantro. Serve hot. 2. Sambar. Ingredients: 1 cup tur dal split pigeon peas, 1 onion chopped, 2 tomatoes chopped, 1 carrot chopped, 1 potato chopped, 1 cup mixed vegetables: eggplant, okra, drumsticks, 1 tsp sambar powder, 1 tsp turmeric powder, salt to taste, 1 tsp mustard seeds, 1 tsp cumin seeds, 2 dried red chilies, 1 tsp oil, 1 tsp tamarind paste, water as needed, chopped cilantro for garnish. Instructions: 1. Wash and soak tur dal in water for 30 minutes. Drain and set aside. 2. Heat oil in a pressure cooker or pot. Add mustard seeds and let them splutter. 3. Add cumin seeds and dried red chilies. Saute for a few seconds. 4. Add onions and saute until they turn translucent. 5. Add chopped tomatoes, carrots, potatoes, and mixed vegetables. Stir in sambar powder, turmeric powder, and salt. 6. Add soaked and drained tur dal to the pot and mix well. 7. Add 3 cups of water and tamarind paste. Close the lid and pressure cook for 3 whistles or cook on low flame until vegetables are tender. 8. Once done, let the pressure release naturally. Garnish with chopped cilantro and serve hot with rice or idli. 3. Masala dosa. Ingredients: 1 cup dosa batter, fermented rice and lentil batter, 1 onion chopped, 1 tomato chopped, 1 green chili chopped, 1 tsp mustard seeds, 1 tsp cumin seeds, 1 tsp urad dal split black gram, 1 tsp chana dal split bengal gram, 1 tsp ginger, grated, 1 tsp oil. Salt to taste. Water as needed. Instructions: 1. Heat oil in a pan, add mustard seeds and let them splutter. 2. Add cumin seeds, urad dal, chana dal, and grated ginger. Saute for a few seconds. 3. Add chopped onions, tomatoes, and green chili. Saute until onions turn translucent. 4. Add salt to taste and mix well. 5. Heat a non-stick pan or tawa. Pour a ladleful of dosa batter and spread it in a circular motion to make a thin crepe.